Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to open 2 or more instances of Discord. So as you can see, I have the stable build of Discord, so it was the most used one. If you want to use 2 or more instances of Discord, just go to the discord.com/download website and go here till you see the feeling experimental. Just scroll down to the website, click on download public test build, and go download the Windows 64-bit. And once you've done that, just install it and go through the usual login procedures. And once you're done with that, now go to Discord and open Discord in your browser, and you could also open another account there, which is different from the 2 builds of Discord, the stable and the public test build. So in all in all, you have 3 accounts or so, and that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.